again back for a small time of faster driving. The car is like sticked to the ground with the tires. Thank you again. Here I am. They're amazing. The Dunlop Sport Blue Response, amazing suction cups, literally.
Te apropii de o trecere de cale ferată.
Right here. So I will cross a train line right now. So we need to lower the speed. It's really not well to have a speed here, especially if you have the tires inflated for the highway. And the car with stiffer suspensions. But yeah, also the steering is amazing. We'll have a roundabout.
Continuă tot înainte.
Okay, let's be really careful.
Continuă tot înainte la sensul girator.
Awesome. Yeah, guys, I'll soon be back. So now we're on the fast lane that goes across Ploiesti. This way we can go around it faster. Soon we'll be able to either take the fast highway or the option to go on the old road that will have the same speed limit like this one. I think I will take this old road because although you cannot drive at a highway speed, you get to Bucharest faster, and inside the capital city. Right now everyone has left either for the mountain or for the seaside, and I will not get the same traffic problems as I would have during the weekdays, the work days. So this was built new, it wasn't here before. It looks nice. And again, I will see you right away. In front of us we see the oil plant, the oil refinery in Ploiesti. Right here we can already smell the oil, and the gas is resulted from the refinery. It's really bumpy right here, but no problems for the CLIO 3. Yeah, the GPS, the navigation tells me to go on the highway. Let's just do that, and